Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing video for the month of March. So I just wanted to open my box with you guys and show you guys what I got. I'm very excited. And yeah, today's St. Patty's Day, so I'm wearing my green. There's green in Harlow's shirt, but you can't really tell. I don't really have anything green for her to wear, I don't think. Yeah, I never really get or like buy her green clothes, so I don't know. And I didn't want to get her like a first St. Patty's Day outfit and spend a bunch of money on a holiday that I don't really know why we celebrate St. Patty's Day anyway. So anyways, if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Birchbox, then please just keep on watching. Birchbox for the month of March, and I am so excited to open this. Woo woo, woo woo. I hope we get some good products in here because I am out of a lot of stuff. And also I wanted to mention, a part of the reason why I get these subscription boxes is just because I literally do not have any time to shop for makeup for myself anymore. Like, I just don't have the time, so I would rather just spend the $10 on my subscriptions and then just be surprised each month on the products that I get. And you'd be surprised, like, these little samples go a long way. So they literally last me like the whole month. If I like the product and I'm using it, they last me a really long time. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So this is the outside of this month's Birchbox. I'm surprised that they didn't do it green, but whatevs. For the month of March, and this is the back of it. So really pretty packaging. So the card says, "Finally spring. And while winter offered us plenty of time to dream and plan, we are quickly awakened by how much change is happening all around us." And then there's this whole little paragraph thing that I'm not going to read, but you get the hint. And then it does say the price of everything and the description of all the products, so I'll read you guys the prices at the end. But this is the first product. So Amika Blowout Spray. So blow it up. When you blow it out with a no-weight network of heat-safe high volume, use it. Mist on damp hair, roots to ends, section by section. Blow dry. A blow drying hairspray. I'm assuming it gives you volume, and you use it on damp hair. So that's exciting. I mean, who doesn't like nice, voluminous hair, you know? So I'm excited to try this. What's the next thing that's in this box? It's a clean sample, and I'm pretty sure I have this in my Sephora, like the little sample perfume thing from Sephora, the one that has like 17 samples. So I'm pretty sure I know how this smells. Maybe not. I don't know. This smells a little Pine Sol-ish, like cleaning liquid. Okay. I do not like that at all. That literally smells like Pine Sol. Okay, that's disgusting. But what can you do? I don't know. Like, I think that this perfume may have gone bad or something. Like, it smells rancid. Like, ugh. I don't know. I don't think that that's the way that that's supposed to smell. Huh, Bubby? It does not smell good. No, we don't like this. I'm sorry, but not a fan of this. So we're gonna put that away. Next thing that I'm gonna pull out, I'm not looking in the box by the way, is, what is this? Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Peel. This is not a mask. This Real Chemistry, it's like a peel. So it's not, this is not a face mask, it's an actual peel that you do. You can do it in the shower, I guess, to save time. I just read the back of it. But yeah, anyways, so I don't know, this looks interesting. I'm really into skincare. I think I said that in a previous video, even though, I mean, I'm breaking out a lot, but that's just because it's that time of the month. Sorry if that was TMI, but it's true. So yeah, I'm very into skincare and trying out new products, so I'm really excited to try this peel. The next thing that is in the box is this Balance me Natural Skincare Wonder Eye Cream. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. I was seriously hoping for another eye cream. I'm already out of my Belief one that I got. I think I got that in my Sephora Play box. But yeah, anyways, I'm out of that already. So I'm so excited that they put a eye cream in here, and this is like a good size eye cream. I know that this is gonna last me probably longer than a month. Last but not least, that was in the box is this Lock Liquid Shimmer Shadow. To be honest, I never really used like the eyeshadows that they put in the box, but this looks cute. And that's a very pretty shimmery shadow.
Look it, show the shadow. Show it. Hold the makeup, hold the beady. Show the camera. No, don't eat it. Hold the beady up to the camera. You show it? Show it. Say, look everyone, that's what's in the box.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and read you guys the prices of everything. The Amica Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. This right here retails for, a full size of this retails for $25. Wonder Eye Cream retails for, a full size of this retails for $29. Perfume, a full size of that retails for $40 to $72, which, I mean, you guys can smell it for yourself. You guys can go into Sephora or wherever they sell perfume, wherever they sell that clean scent, but I did not like that at all, so I will not be purchasing that full size. This Love of Color Shimmer Shadow, a full size of this retails for $10. Real Chemistry Face Peel, a full size of this retails for $48. So hopefully it's really good. Alright you guys, so that was everything that was in my Birchbox for the month of March. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful in some way. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean so much to me if you guys subscribed. And also, please don't forget to hit the little bell notification. That way you guys are updated anytime I post a video. Please like this video if you guys enjoy these unboxing videos. And we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye guys. Mwah.